In this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Singer HD4432 heavy duty machine. So the first step is to place the thread here and winding the bobbin. So I'll show you in step by step how to do that, and then we will go for the proper stitching. Place it here. Now lock it with this and just close it here. Take this thread, put it in the first position here, and then place it like this and make it round, and here we have to place this, but before that we will just insert it inside here, and then we will place it here, push it to lock. Now plug in the power cable, connect this cable here. You can see there is a small light here. Now we can just check it by just pressing this button. Now place this thread at number 1 and number 2 together, so it will move here. So put it underneath and then just let it go down in this area, and then make a U-turn from here and take it up. It comes here with the U-turn. Then you have to move this button and it will move one thing upside, and you just have to place it here and then go down. When you move this here, you will see there is another metal piece here, so just push it behind it and just lock the thread there, so it goes like this. So you will see this plate here just below here. Place it here, it goes like this, and there is a plate in the front. Go behind it and place it here, and after that you will see that the needle section, so you have to place it behind that as well. So you just have to make sure you, so it just comes horizontal, so you can see it can slide here. Now raise the needle, so it should go to the highest point. So once we do this step, next is to place it down, and then like this we have to place it, and now push it up. Now take it, so we can see it has put the thread inside. Now lift this paddle up, place it from here like this, and this section is done. Next is to install the bobbin. First release it. Now place the bobbin here with some thread left outside. So we'll first place it here. There is a small section here, so the thread will go from there. So once you place it here, just push it to the one side, and then next is to adjust the width. So we can do it 0. You can select the length, any size. You can select the type of stitching. Like right now I'm just going to do the first one. Then go for the needle position. So right now we can see that is the exact position. So that is the one here I am going to use, and that is a thread tension. So we can just reduce it, or we can increase the tension like this. So the recommended is 3 to 5 for right now. Next is to place a piece of cloth. Lower the lever from the back side, and now we can start stitching. So we'll just press the paddle here. So accordingly you can do the speed. So once you are done, you can just move it like this and cut the thread from here. So let's check the result. So we can see here, and this side, so it be tried to open. No, so it is stitched. So that's the stitching done with this machine. So hopefully this video will help you to set up the machine and to start using it. It really looks difficult in the starting when we put the threads, but it's really easy. Once you do it, you will do it quickly next time. Thanks for watching.